Hello everyone, Big Money here with the monthly update on the Forex Trading Bot Challenge in the Big Money Reloaded series. As you may already know, on the first day of 2025, I invested $5,000 in a Forex trading account and I unleashed some algorithmic trading bots to earn passive income. This is the performance update for the month of May, which was yet again quite successful. Let's see the numbers and how the challenge progresses overall. I started the 5th month of 2025 with a rounded balance of $8,500 and today the balance on the 31st of May stands at $9,276. In April, I had to record the video a bit sooner than the last day of the month, so just an update about the final result. The actual profit rate was in fact above 10%. The percentage for this month is in the same range, slightly over 9%, with a net gain of $776. The average net gain is therefore almost exactly 10% per month, which is absolutely amazing. When I started the challenge back in January, I estimated less than half of this and made my plans accordingly. However, it is clear that the performance is much better than that, so I actually think it is highly likely that by the end of June, I will reach my original target of 10k. I mean, if I take a look at the growth chart on my FX book, it is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. The individual bot performance in May was quite interesting. The Sharpshooter and the Vigorous were the two heavy hitters again, but the Vig has claimed a bigger slice of the cake this month, and I am very happy to see the Ranger gaining momentum. I like this ratio very much. I prefer to have a balanced split of the workload. Drawdowns were again quite insignificant. There were some deeper levels on the Vigorous, but nothing to be worried about. Some members of the community reported losses, but I don't know which setup they used with which broker. I am actually running these bots on two different brokers, and none of them were even close to risky situation, so I'm not really sure how those losses could occur. The majority of the community, however, did not report to have any losses at all. This month, I am not going to add any further funds to my balance. Quite frankly, I think that it is unnecessary, so I'll only need to see $724 in profit in June to reach my target. It means that if June has a similar performance to April, I will in fact reach my target, so no need for an additional deposit. Alright guys, this was a short summary for the month of May. I am happy about these numbers. If all things go well, I will in fact finish the challenge next month, which means that starting with a 5k balance within 6 months and some occasional extra deposits to my balance, I will reach $10,000. As usual, the figures on my FX book are not exactly accurate because for some reason the credit bonus that I get from Vantage messes up the calculations. Nonetheless, it gives a fair picture of what's going on. In June, I am planning to have the grand finale of the series. I will have some surprises for you guys. Even if the balance hits 10k, I will not abandon the series. More about that at a later stage. I have included official links in the description field. I believe that the discount is still available on the official RFT webshop, so you can still grab the 25% discount for the Powerhouse. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I have all the socials included down below. As always, I can only recommend to join the Discord server. We have an amazing community there with people happy to share their experience with these EAs. I'm excited about next month. See you soon. Until then, take care. Big Money out.